Shit, it's raining outside. Just trying to fucking record this shit. So, yeah. Not the best idea. Probably not the best idea because it's actually sprinkling out here, but it's fine. There's shit, it's wet today. 40 degrees outside. And it just sucks to just be out here, but you know what? I don't care. So, yeah, this vlog's just making me not care. At this point, just put my camera here. It's especially spring. I just stepped in mud. See how muddy your shoes can get easily. Just see how wet it is out here. It's wet. Holy fuck, it's wet. Ugh. It's wet. I vlogged the wetness. I'm vlogging. I vlogged some shit. Another vlog? No. Damn, something just got on my face. It's just wet outside. Now I'm getting away from this tree. It's just rainy. It's just a nasty day, so I'm just... Oh yeah, I'm gonna touch some muddy grass real quick. That's one of my pointless challenges I was gonna do. I was gonna do something fucking pretty pointless. Someone that's stupid, I'll touch wet grass and splash it all over your face. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. That was so funny as hell. Oh my god. No, this is stupid. This is one of the stupidest videos I've ever made. Honestly. Honestly, just walking outside in the rain, bro. Don't worry, guys. I got my coat on and everything, and my shirt wet. My screen is wet, lol. I don't know why, but I decided to just film outside. Bro, stop doing that. I don't know why, but I decided to vlog a rainy day. Yeah. Yeah, look how muddy that is. Bro, look how muddy that is. I don't know why, but I decided that I wanted to make a video outside. It just... Yeah, my dumbass just decided to... Yeah, I feel like my dumbass just decided to get wet outside and record. Bye, guys. Peace.